A spoonful of sugar helps the hiccups go down. People claim a packet or two of sugar stops them immediately. The sugar thing is one of many hiccups hacks that have been talked about over the years. Others include lemon juice, peanut butter, drinking through a special straw, and just thinking about cows.
Okay. First of all, 2 packets of sugar. You might get rid of hiccups, but you're going to get diabetes.
Get the sugars.
That's like a commercial.